How to deliver orders with Yango Pro. Welcome to Yango Pro. This is the app that you will use as a courier to deliver packages. Let's learn how to use it. Meet Joseph. He's going to show us how to fulfill orders. Here's how it works. Users buy goods online, order food from restaurants and supermarkets, and send personal items to friends and family. Joseph's job is to deliver everything using Yango Pro. It's easy once you know a few basic rules and guidelines. Joseph is now ready to take an order. Tap Get Orders to see what's available. To stop looking for orders, tap the radar icon in the top left corner of the screen, and then tap Go Offline. If Joseph simply closes the app without doing this, he'll continue to receive orders and lose activity points for every missed order. Let's look at the process for accepting an order. Every order has a sender and a recipient. The sender might be a person or a company, like a store or restaurant. Orders from companies are called corporate orders. An order might have multiple recipients. In this case, additional stops will automatically be added to your route. Yango Pro will map your journey to make it as convenient as possible. Now, let's look at how to deliver the orders themselves. First, Joseph goes online. Tap Get Orders. The system automatically accepts orders from users, then sends them to any couriers in the area. When Joseph receives an order, he'll have less than a minute to accept it. Otherwise, the order will go to another courier. Click the Accept button. Next, Joseph carefully reads the order card. The comments may contain important information about the order. For example, he may need an insulated bag. Or there might be instructions on reaching the sender or recipient's house. From the order card, Joseph can call the sender to let them know when he will arrive or double-check the address. Once Joseph has read over the card, he'll head out to the sender. Yango Pro will map a route for him. Note that any trips to the gas station should take place before or after completing the order. When Joseph reaches the sender, he needs to tap Arrived. Tap Arrived. Joseph waits for the store employee to give him the items to be delivered. If the order isn't ready yet, he'll need to wait. Senders have 10 minutes of unpaid waiting time. After that, they'll be charged a fee. During these 10 minutes, Joseph should call the sender 3 times. The store employee gives Joseph 2 packages, which he records in the app. Tap Pick Up. A screen will appear with a list of packages. Next, he needs to click Package Picked Up for each item in the order. Tap Done. Joseph checks that the number or name on the packages matches the information in the app to make sure he has the right order. For this order, Joseph has been issued 2 packages, but sometimes he might have more. Either way, the pickup procedure is the same. Tap Package Received and Done for each package. Taking several packages at the same time is profitable. It saves time and fuel by optimizing the route. When Joseph gets to the recipient's door, he needs to tap Arrived. Tap Arrived. If the recipient does not answer immediately, he'll need to wait for 10 minutes and call the recipient 3 times. The app will tell you which package to give the recipient. The order number and recipient's name can be found on the order card. Joseph gives the package to the recipient and records this in the app. Tap Item Delivered. Joseph has one other package that needs to be delivered. After tapping Item Delivered, the route to the second recipient will be mapped automatically. When Joseph reaches the second recipient's location, he presses Arrived again. Joseph waits 10 minutes and calls 3 times. This time, the recipient doesn't respond to any of his calls. Since he can't get through to the recipient, we need to tap Return on the order card. A new stop will appear on the route, showing you where to return the package. This may be the store it came from or a warehouse. The navigator will create the route. Joseph takes the package to this address. The cost of returning a package is the same as the cost of the original order. To stop receiving new orders, Joseph taps Set to Busy. So, now that we've learned how orders work, Joseph has a few tips for you. Read the order card carefully and follow the instructions in the comments. Use the route provided by the navigator. Check that the number or name on the package matches the number or name in the app. If something goes wrong, don't hesitate to contact the support service. They'll tell you what to do. If you have a question about your current order, message support directly from the order card. That way, you'll be answered more quickly. If you have a general question, send it from your user profile. You'll receive an answer faster if you write all your questions in one message. These are items that cannot be delivered. If a package contains something from this list, refuse the order and notify support. If you have trouble going online with the app, it might mean your GPS signal is weak or you need to verify your identity. Usually, the app will let you know what's wrong. You can also check out the troubleshooting section from your user profile. Now, Joseph is going to share some general rules. We call them our service standards. Be considerate and polite with customers and store or restaurant employees. Try to accept every order the system offers you and never cancel an order. Be on time for both the sender and recipient. Follow the requirements on the order card carefully. Don't open packages. If you're given an item with torn packaging, take a picture of the damage with the sender present. Handle packages carefully in case they contain something fragile. You may lose access to orders for serious breaches of our service standards. That's it. Happy delivering, and keep an eye on the app for news and updates.